All right. You all have a box, and you are going to fill out this pink paper about the evolution of the peppered moth. Okay, so the middle one says human height variation. Grab your pencil. This is human height. We're going to start out with short, and then in the middle is medium, and then we're going to have tall. And this is just a few, and then a whole bunch. So how many people are going to be super duper short?
Everyone.
Just a few. And then how many people are going to be super duper tall?
Just a few.
Just a few. And then how many people when we get more towards the medium height?
A lot.
More and more and more. And then we're going to have the most people are average height. Okay.
Wow.
So write that in there. That's called a bell curve. So it looks like the shape of a bell. Okay, you can have a butterfly curve where most people are at the extremes. That's kind of like our test scores sometimes. So those are the two curves we're going to be talking about. All right, turn to the middle page here. My lovely ladies have put on the board the class table. Okay, so the first box says color. So circle color and write black box. If you have a black box that looks like this, that has peppered moths inside of them, that's where you're going to write down this data. Okay, and then the second table says size. Circle size and put green box. So once you get done with this, my people on this side are going to switch boxes with my people on that side, and that is this box. Okay, so what you're going to do is, it says person 1. So when you have this box, person 1, you are, what eats moths? Birds. You've got it. What noise do we want our bird to make?
Ribbit.
Chirp.
How about as it is eating the moth? What is it going to? I was thinking more like. Is that good? Okay, so everyone get your beaks up. I'm gonna make you come to the front of the room if you do not get your beak up. Beaks up, beaks up. Good, good, good. Michelle? Good, good. There we go. All right, and now everyone practice. That was bad. Okay, so you're the predator, and this is your prey. And we are going to simulate evolution and natural selection of the moths. Okay, so what tree is this? What, a black tree. You've got it. So is that before or after the Industrial Revolution? After. Okay, so we've got some different colored moths. Does the predator see the prey?
No.
When it is flying and going. Yes, so you are going to look. Okay, you're gonna look inside the box. You're gonna be quick. You're not gonna be like, but you're quick. But you're gonna pick decisively, like you are a predator trying to eat the prey. Okay, so you're gonna pick out 5 moths. Okay, so you're gonna be like.
You have to say that?
Yes, and if you don't, I'm gonna come around and tell you to do it, and I have to hear you. Okay. So you are going to pick out 5 moths, and then you are person 1. So you're gonna go. I actually got I got 3 whites, so I would go 3 tallies on my white, and then I got 2 grays, so I would put tallies on my grays. There are, if you look in your box, there are a bunch of light gray. There's like 2 different shades of light gray. If you need me to tell you which shade, there's 2 different shades of light gray, and then this is super dark gray, and then that's kind of the India gray. Okay, then this is very important, and my people first block didn't do this. You have to put all of your moths back in, because every single one of the people in your group needs to be picking from this special number that we have. There's even numbers. There's even of all of these. Okay, there's evens. Okay, so then my next person is gonna get her beak up, and then she's gonna go. How many moths is she picking out? 5. And then what's she gonna do? Person 2. She's gonna tally them up, and then it's the next person's turn. So what are you gonna do with those 5 that you picked out? You're gonna did you say put them back in? You're gonna put them back in. And then third person, why doesn't a person go twice if you don't have a fourth person? And then on yours, it's a little more clear. You're gonna take these 2 and you're gonna total them. And then you're gonna take, hold on. You're gonna take these 2, total them, these 2, total them, and then this is here. All right, and then you're gonna come up here and record your group data so we can get some class data. Okay. Then you're gonna take this box and you're gonna go and switch it with the next group. This is demonstrating size, the size of the moth and how that is selected for. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing and you're gonna pick out how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then grab the rulers. They're inside the classroom. You're gonna grab the rulers and you're gonna measure them. These are inches, and you're gonna put 5 tallies at your 5, and then it's the next person's turn. So what do you do with your 5? You put them back in, and then person number 2, and then we record, measure, record, and then it has a total. I think it's 3, 3, and 3. You're gonna total them up, and then come put your data up here. And then you're gonna flip it to, everyone flip with me, to analysis of data. You are going to tell me about this experiment that we just did. Walk me through step by step, be specific, tell me what happens and why. Flip it to the very back page. Put a big star on number 15, big star with the giraffe question. You're gonna take everything you just learned about the peppered moths and you're gonna apply it to the giraffe example. Tell me very detailed how this happens according to genetics. Are there any questions? Alrighty.